This plant is commonly known as spiny gourd or spine gourd and has got many health benefits. Spiny gourds are low in calories, as only 17 calories per 100 gram, and very beneficial during pregnancy, maintains healthy blood pressure levels, prevent cancer, boost eyesight, rich source of anti-aging compound, improve digestion, prevent and remove kidney stones, and much more. Actually, this veggie is often eaten by boiling with rice by my ancestors, in which all the health benefits can be achieved easily. But especially the children find it very difficult to eat this veggie. Here I am showing how to make a tasty dish for the children and entire family with spine gourd. Take small amount of chickpea flour, and one can mix the ingredient as per flavor one wants to add on the dish. Coriander leaves, onion, and salt are enough to add flavor to this dish. Cut small amount of coriander leaves and onion and stir it nicely into a smooth batter. Now cut small pieces of spine gourd and dip it into the batter. Cook it in olive oil and deep fry it. Olive oil is a rich source of vitamin E, so little oil eaten with this veggie will not harm your family health. Tasty and healthy spine gourd pokoras are ready. Serve it hot with any dish you like, or can be served with hot tea and coffee also.